Thank you for scanning our UBC QR code. That means you probably received our sample kit. It is an excellent 100% solids polyurea base coat. Awesome for underneath flake, quartz, silica sand shop floors, and similar systems. It is a 2-to-1 mix ratio. It comes in gray, tan, and clear for those custom tinted applications. With this underneath a flake system, you should get right around 250 square feet per gallon with a working time of 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even longer depending on which speed of material you have chosen and the air temperature outside. If you properly pick your speed with your temperature, you should have zero problems being back on the floor and scraping your flake within about an hour and a half. So let's go ahead and mix this up, put it on a sample board, and see how it rolls. Like most other A-sides, you do need to pre-mix this before you mix it together in your 2-to-1 mix ratio. Now that we've got it pre-mixed, we are ready to make our batch. Using a mixer, or in this case a stir stick, we're going to mix for about 60 seconds and we'll be ready to go on our floor. 60 seconds later, ready to go. And like I said earlier, this is an excellent base for flake. And there's enough product in this sample for you to roll out a 4x8 sheet and actually make a sample with, if you want to use that to make samples for homeowners. However, in this section here, we are only going to roll this out with no flake, let it dry to show the coloration, to show that it makes an excellent base for flake, that your tint doesn't fall out like some other products do, and the coloration stays nice and true. Now would be the perfect time to broadcast your flake. Come back in an hour and a half, and it'll be ready to scrape. In this case, we're going to come back here in an hour and a half or so and see what this looks like. Here we have the UBC base coat after a few hours of drying, completely dry to the touch. It's still soft and rubbery. It maintains, even after curing, a flexible nature and will always go back to where it started. Got good elongation properties, and as you can see, it's got excellent coloration. Hope you enjoyed playing with the UBC base coat and made something cool out of it. Thanks again for checking out Valence Protective Coatings.